Happy Purim! Welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. Today I am going to be baking Hamantaschen with my kid. If you follow me here on YouTube, and you should, subscribe, or on Instagram, follow me there too, Everyday Jewish Mom, you will know that I like to bake. And I do a lot of baking with my kids. It's just one of the activities that we do when we need something to do. So this year we are making Hamantaschen for Purim, of course. But I wanted to talk a bit about how I involve them in baking. It can be challenging to bake with kids, even for me, maybe especially for me. I really want things to like come out right and look right and be done right and not be too messy, and those are all things that pretty much clash with doing something with a kid. So I wanted to take you through baking with my kid and all the little ways that I keep her involved and engaged, and all the ways that I let go of my perfectionism. So here we go. I like getting my kids involved with finding all the ingredients. Sometimes they can reach them, sometimes they can just help show me where they are. Then they can count and measure and stir. If they're old enough, they can read the recipe for you.
Oil.
And?
Egg.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
There are plenty of things in a recipe that the kids just aren't going to be very good at, but I like to give them a turn. They have a turn and I have a turn. Just watching me do things is not going to be fun for them. This dough recipe is really straightforward. I'll link it below. You basically mix the wet, add the flour, and then chill it for a bit. Alright, you'll want to put some flour on your surface before you roll out your dough. Also put some on your rolling pin. You'll see here this rolling pin has these orange discs on the side. It actually comes with various discs of various depths. This is insanely helpful for getting your dough the same thickness all over, and really great for the kiddos because they can roll and roll it all day long and it will never be too thin. Now it's time to cut out our circles. I'm using a 3-inch circle cookie cutter, but you can also use a glass for this. Just push it down, give it a little twist. You might want to put a little flour on that too. And then try and put them as close together as possible, not like that. You will see that I am using canned pie filling here. You can just grab it in the baking aisle of your grocery store. And we're scooping about a heaping teaspoon. Hold on. Yeah, you're right. Oh, do a pinch. You got to fold it up. Do a pinch.
Yeah.
And then fold this side
No,
up.
I will do it.
Oh. And then where do you pinch the other ones? Good job, kiddo. Wow. After we got them all folded up, I'm painting them with some egg wash here. I'm actually using the store-bought carton of egg whites. And then we're putting sprinkles on them. She sprinkled them on top and I plastered them to the sides. Now she likes to do things by herself, so you'll notice that some are triangles and some are stars, but they are all delicious. Well guys, I hope that that gave you a little encouragement about doing baking with your kids. If you are getting constantly frustrated, you are not alone, but the idea is for it to be a kid activity, so let it go. It's about them having fun, not so much about the perfection of the end product. I have also been known to do a batch of Hamantaschen with my kids during the day, and then a batch of Hamantaschen at night by myself, so that I can make them just the way I like them, and they can be little perfect looking Hamantaschen. Let me know how you deal with baking with kids. Do you guys have some tricks that you use? Go ahead, put that in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on mommy stuff and doing Jewish things with your kids. Go ahead, follow me on social media. I'm posting all the time on Facebook and Instagram as well. And check out what else I've got going on.